Sakpasi, my name is Edgy, and in today's video, I will be talking about the 10 tips and tricks that you need to know when you're just starting to use Canva.com. Because there's a lot of things that you can do on Canva. Until this day, they're still adding more and more things to it. But those are going to be the most important tips and tricks that you need to know. So let's get into this. You can create any marketing material for your business. When you're in your homepage, it will show you all your recent designs. I use Canva to create all my thumbnails. Either you could go to the search bar or just click on marketing. It will show you all of the marketing materials. You could create a poster, logo, flyer, business card, a blog planner, a label, email header, banner, Instagram ad, a ticket, which I didn't even know honestly, coupon, anything creative that you want to create for your business, you could use Canva to do so. So I'm just going to pick a business card. Let me just go over this very quickly. On the left side, this is going to be your templates. After templates is your elements. These are different effects that you can add to the business card or to whatever thing that you're designing. Upload, this is very important. This is where you're going to upload things from your computer. Photos, these are pictures from Canva. You can use any of these pictures, you're not going to get in trouble. Text, very self-explanatory. You could add the text to the business card. Background, anything that you're designing, if you want to change the background, then you could do so. Now I'm going to go back to the top, which is templates. I'm just going to pick up a random business card template. This one, let's just say if I choose this one, all you have to do is just click on the text and you could edit it. Once you click on the text, at the top, you will be able to manipulate the text. You could change the color, you could change the size, you could change the font, you could create effects, and that goes for everything else. If I click on this, it's going to do the same thing. I could change the color. If I want to change the text, just click on it, double click. Let me change this to Edgy Vision. I don't like the font. I'm just going to click on the font. This picture, I'm going to delete it. Let me click on elements instead. Let me just search camera. Edgy Vision, professional. Voila, and there goes my business card. You could change the background color. Just click on it. Then you can go ahead and choose any color that you wish. This looks so basic. Now the next tip, you can add links to your designs, aka hyperlinks. You could add your website and the person will be able to click on your website from your design. Let's just say if I type my website, all I have to do is just click on the website, go to the top right corner, click on link. Write the name of your website. And let's just test this out right now to see if it works. I saved it as a PDF. This is it right here. And voila. Now the next tip, you can create a QR code. Once the person point their camera to the QR code, they will have access to your design. It could be your business card, your flyer, whatever it is. So in this case, since we're creating a business card, once we add a QR code to the business card, it's going to become a virtual business card. So let me show you guys how to do that. Just go to the right corner where the three dots. Click on website. Make sure presentation is selected. Click on open website. Click on the URL, make sure to copy it, then go back to canva.com. Go to the left side, click on more, search for a QR code, click on it, Now paste the URL. The URL that you just copied, just paste it here, then click on generate code. Just add the QR code to the business card, and voila. So now you have yourself a virtual business card. Once the person point their camera to the business card, it will go to this website right here. Now the next step, you can print out your design. You could pay for it and you could have the design delivered to your house. So for you to do that, once again, click on the three dots, scroll down, you're going to see print, click on business cards. You could select standard paper, premium, matte, gloss finish. These are the different options that you have. You have the option to print out 50 copies, 100 copies, 150 copies. Once you do that, click continue. When you're printing them out, just make sure you don't have anything outside of these borders right here. And once you're ready, click continue, and voila. The next step, you could create product mockups. To create it as a mockup, just click on it, go to the top right corner once again, click on the three dots, make sure to download it as a JPG or PNG. Now upload the image to Canva. Just add another page to it. Once you add the blank page, just drag the picture to the canvas. So now when I click on it, it's an actual picture. Okay, the difference between this and the first one I could actually edit it, right? I could change the text, the picture, because it's not an actual picture. But the second one, which I just recently uploaded, this is an actual picture. So because it's a picture, I could change it to a mockup. When I click on it, I cannot edit anything, right? That's how you know it's a picture. Once you click on it, go to the top left corner, click on edit image, go down, look for where it says smart mockups, just click on see all. Now it's showing me all of the different mockups that I can use. See, this is pretty cool. I can make it look like somebody's holding the business card. You can also do this to create ebook covers, because a lot of times when you create an ebook, people use mockups for their cover. If you're creating an ebook cover, do the same thing. Now you can actually edit your videos on Canva. I highly recommend you guys take advantage of this. To do that, all you have to do, just click on the search bar, search video, click on video. Once you click on video, click on create a blank video. Go to uploads, upload a video of your choice. Once you click on the video, you will have the option to trim it. Just go to the top left corner, click on the scissor icon. Once you select the clip that you want, click done. The clip is added to the timeline. You can do the same thing for all of it. If you want to add another clip, click on that. Click on the video again. Click on the scissor icon, and then that's it. You could change the background, could make this black. The reason why it looks like that is because I recorded it vertically. If I wanted to, I could upload a video that is horizontal, and you could also add transitions in between these two clips. Click on add transitions. You could choose from these: dissolve, slide. Actually, dissolve is the most popular transition. A circle, wipe. See, and then it transitioned to another clip. You can create intros or outros. You can create an intro for your YouTube channel. Let me delete this. Now, when it comes to creating an intro, I would recommend going to templates. This is an example of a good effect. So you can create an intro this way. You just choose a video. If I want to add another animation, just click on that plus sign right here. I could choose another video. If I play all of it together, and it's gonna go to the next scene. Make sure to play with it. There's a lot of different things that you can do. You can edit your PDF files. I'm going to go to my desktop. This here is a script that I created in the past. This is like a short film that I did. I'm going to insert this on canva.com. To edit your PDF file, drag it to Canva. Voila. And you should see it in the recent section or where it says design. Just click on it, and here's my PDF file. You will be able to edit it, and I can edit the text. I could add pictures. I can do whatever I want. The next tip, you can create social media graphics. This one is very important, especially in this digital age, to look for other options when it comes to creating your social media graphics. Just click on social media, or you could go to the search bar. These are other options that you have. You can create Instagram posts, Facebook posts, Instagram stories, even WhatsApp status. I didn't even know that. Instagram Reel videos, animated Instagram posts, Instagram ads. So if you're creating an ad for your Instagram page, you could create it here. So the possibilities are endless. Just click on it, do the same thing that I did with the business cards. Just choose a template. This is a good example of like an invitation, right? You could add this on social media, add your picture there, change up the text. You could change the pictures. Voila. The last and final tip, you can create invoices. A lot of times when you're doing a service for somebody, they're always telling you to send them an invoice. The funny thing is, there's a lot of websites where you have to pay to create an invoice. But because we have Canva, you don't have to do that. Go to the search bar, search for invoice. You can select any of these templates. What I like to do, I just click on create a blank invoice. You could start looking at the different templates from here. And voila, that's it. Hopefully you learned a lot from this video. If you have any questions for me at all, make sure to leave it in the comments. If you're a content creator, definitely subscribe to this channel. I have more videos like this coming up. My name is Edgy, and I'm out.